Welcome to the short review of Kitty Hawk's AH or MH-6J in 1/35 scale. The kit is from 2017 and you can build two versions of the iconic little bird helicopter. Let's start with the box. The box art looks great and gives a good idea of what's inside. Best regards from Black Hawk Down. Opening it up, everything is nicely packed. Sprues, clear parts, photo edge and decals are all safely wrapped. As an extra, I bought a Red Fox Studio 3D decal set for the cockpit. It's not included in the kit but highly recommended. The instruction booklet looks solid at first glance, but there are some weaknesses. The overall layout is clear and the color scheme is placed in the middle section as usual for Kitty Hawk. However, small details often lack clarity. Some parts would benefit from alternate views or better callouts. Optional items like weapons, antennas or navigation lights aren't always explained well. With some additional research and reference photos you can still figure it out, but the manual alone isn't perfect. Now for the plastic parts. The larger components make a very good impression. Dark grey, sturdy plastic with crisp surface detail. Panel lines are sharp and the texture feels realistic. However, there are far too many small, fiddly parts that don't really add much to the final model. It also feels like the molds haven't been maintained properly. Some fine parts show a lot of flash. Fit ranges from excellent on some sections to just okay on others. Some cleanup work will definitely be needed, and you need a high frustration tolerance in some places. The clear parts are excellent, thin, transparent and distortion free. Decals are minimal but well printed and easy to apply. The photo edge pieces, on the other hand, are very stiff and difficult to bend. I didn't use most of the parts. The Red Fox Studio 3D decals are a fantastic upgrade for the cockpit and make a real difference. Should you buy the kit or not? This is probably the most detailed MH-6J kit on the market, but it's not without flaws. Beautiful details and solid quality overall, but some fit issues remain, especially the front canopy. One control stick is incorrect and many parts are unnecessarily small. Still, with patience and skill, the kit has huge potential. I would recommend it to experienced modelers who enjoy a challenge. Here are a few impressions of my build, and for more, check out the full build video on my channel. Thanks for watching and good luck with your projects. Goodbye.